Well, howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. Did you guys know that it is Motorcycle Awareness Month? You say no? Well, yes, it's Motorcycle Awareness Month. May is the official date for being aware of motorcycles. And you're saying, what does that mean? That means just being aware of us guys and gals out there riding a motorcycle. Look twice before you turn. You could save a life. Get off them damn cell phones. Have wireless or something like that. I see so many people on their mobile phones. They're sitting there chatting away, holding it up there, and they're not even paying attention. Look twice before you go down the road. And you motorcycle guys and gals out there, you be aware that these people cannot see us. Just ride like you're invisible, because definitely them guys can't see you. We're smaller. They don't realize we're out there. So just be more cautious as you're riding, and look twice. When I come up on an intersection, I always look twice, because you don't know if somebody's going to run a red light, turn in front of you, or whatever. So, motorcycle awareness, guys. Look out for us. So be aware of all of us guys out there. Enjoy your month of May. It's been a really nice one this year, and catch y'all on the road. So, I keep saying so. So you motorcycle guys out there, so, whatever, so, here's another so. Yeah, yep. The blue light on? I don't know, is the blue light on? Yes, the blue light is on. The audio is on. Alright, let's see how this works. I have a little message for you this month, I have a little message this month, and this message is that it's a Motorcycle Awareness Month. Yes, it's an official, what they call that, a holiday, whatever. It's official Motorcycle Month. And is that a wrap? Wrap? Motorcycle Month. No, it's not Motorcycle Mania. I wonder if that car noise is in here. Should I say something else? I don't know. This is always fun. Motorcycle Awareness Month. Yes, it is Motorcycle Awareness Month. That's why they don't hire me for singing. Okay. What, did that crash? Did you crash, app? Are you recording? Yep, you're recording. I did crash. I hope that recorded on the phone. Alright. I'm going to do this one more time. I'll have 3 takes. Should have plenty of video. Yes.